What is going on, guys? Welcome to Rev Step. It's been forever, but with all the craziness that's going on outside, I have not left my home. I have not had a need to leave my home, but lately I started getting bored and I started getting back on the train of modifying this car a little bit. I know it's a Bullitt, so there's not much I want to do to it. However, the reason why I'm sitting inside the car and the AC is blowing almost full blast is because it's in Florida and you guys can see it's 96 degrees and it feels over triple digits, so I really don't want to sit outside that much. But without further ado, you guys know by this title what this video is about, and I finally removed the resonator on this car and installed a Steeda H-pipe. I wanted to keep the deep noise that this car has from the factory, and with the H-pipe I think it just enhanced that. The car sounds super good right now, very deep. It's not raspy at all like the X-pipes, nothing like that. I drove the car for a little bit today after I installed the H-pipe. Phenomenal, I really love it. So without further ado, I'm not going to waste your guys' time. We're going to talk about the channel in another video maybe. We'll see, but this specific video is just for exhaust sounds. And let's get to it. So short and simple, this is what the car sounds now. I really enjoy it. I tried to make, I used the old video with the comparison between the stock exhaust with just the Steeda H-pipe exhaust. It's a complete difference. I love the pops and bangs. Again, I said, they make my day. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe because it helps me out a lot. The channel is growing steadily every day. Even though I haven't made videos in a long time, the channel has grown a little bit more, which is awesome. That means people are visiting the channel. But again, if you guys are just visiting, please subscribe. Please check out the other videos. If you guys are returning subscribers, I hope you enjoy the new video. And there's a few more to come. I'll see you guys later. Rev and Step out.